Hi, welcome. We have two questions here under the topic functions of real numbers. Um, we are asked to state why the function h of x equals to 3 all over x minus 1 cannot have 0 in its range. Now, range is actually the set of all images that this function produces from different values called x that are coming from its domain. It therefore means that for us to say that 0 cannot be in the range of this function, then we are saying there is not going to be any value from the domain of this function called x that will give us a result 0. So finally, we are actually supposed to demonstrate that by solving the equation 3 all over x minus 1 equal to 0 to see if uh, there is actually a value x that will render this expression 0 or not. All right, if we look at this carefully and we carry out cross multiplication, then it simply means we're going to obtain 3 equals 0, which is absurd because we can't have a different number equal to another number. 3 cannot be at the same time 0 and at the same time 3. So it's really absurd. And so this expression is unsolvable. Consequently, 0 is not a member of the range of h of x. Okay, so let us look at the second question. We are given the function f of x equals 3x plus 7, and we are given the composite function f of h of x is equals to 6x minus 20. And we are asked to find the function h of x. To be able to do that, let us just go straight into the meaning of this composition, f of h of x. Now, f of h of x is written as such, and we are told that it is 6x minus 20. Okay? Now, f of h of x simply means we are going to take the instructions of x and we implement it on h. Now, what are the instructions of f? Remember, a function is a set of instructions. F of x is 3x plus 7. F of x, therefore, has two instructions. The first instruction is multiply by 3, and the second instruction is add 7 to the result. So whatever f is carrying, what does it do to it? It first of all multiplies it by 3, and then next add 7 to the result. Now up here, f is carrying h of x. So it's going to carry out those two instructions on h of x. So we have f of h of x will be 3 multiplied to h. For simplicity, we'll just write h. Instead of h of x, we'll just write h for now. And then it will add 7 to the result. And we are told that that should give us 6x minus 20. All right, so finally, we have this equation to solve for h. We have 3h plus 7. Remember, this 3 multiplies only to h. It does not goes ahead to multiply to 7. 7 is not inside the bracket. It's equal to 6x minus 20. This is the equation we have to solve for h. So let us take this 7 to the right-hand side. So we're left with 3h is equal to 6x minus 20. This plus 7 coming over becomes negative 7. Okay? And so we have 3h is equal to 6x. Negative 20 minus 7 is negative 27. Finally, to get h, we divide both sides by 3. 3 cancels here. And then finally, we have the function h of x to be 3 here 1, 3 there 2, 3 here 1, 3 there 9, to be 2x minus 9. So this is the function h of x. which when composed with f gives us 6x minus 20.